What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sacrafice 254 and you're tuning in for another one. This one right here, 1080p, 60 frames a second, but nothing will probably be slowed down, so it's a little bit of overkill, but final product, 4K, coming to you. Anyway, now that all that technical jargon is out the way for those of you that give a fuck, now let's talk about what we got here. So basically, what I have here is a package. Let me open the package for you because that's what matters even more. So a little while back, y'all remember I was talking about the bike and how I got a new battery for it, etc, 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 and you know how we could, be back in rotation. Well, here recently, I kind of put my bike on the back burner, just for the fact that we know that we're trying to make some leaps and advances with the actual build, trying to get the Caprice finished, etc, etc, etc. So here recently, what I discovered to my surprise was, matter of fact, let me just show you. Alright, so like I said, let me show you here. So as you can see here, this is the transmission that we got from the junkyard. And I mean, it's holding liquid like it should, etc, 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 and it works fine. However, there is one little thing that we did not even notice once we got it. If you look right here, something's missing. What's missing is the extension to where you can put it in and your overflow basically works from there. Now, being that we don't have an overflow, or we don't have that right there, we can't run an overflow, which kind of pretty much screws us. So what we had to do was get one with that sprout on it. So now that we got the plug, let me close this garage back down. Now that we got the plug, now what I've chosen to do was get another radiator. So what I chose to do was get another radiator, and at the time I ain't really had the bread. So sometimes you kind of have to make decisions. Decisions have to be made. So I decided to return the battery that was in the booster, and pretty much just return it and give me a radiator. So that's exactly what I did. When we originally got it from the junkyard, we were trying to hunt down a part number, etc, 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 and we couldn't really find it. Well, since I've been working at the store, I've become a little bit more resourceful on how to look up parts, and I found the exact one that we found in the junkyard. And the beautiful thing about this one is that it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So if it ever starts to leak, or ever start having issues out of it, I can return it for as long as I own the vehicle. So keep that in mind. If you're able to. Could I have went ahead and ran, I guess, without this little port right here? I don't think it would have been safe, because you need an overflow so it can take in extra coolant so your vehicle doesn't overheat, and it can expel that same coolant into the overflow when it's not needed. So I definitely wouldn't recommend not running an overflow reservoir. So now we have another brand new tank, and we are able to use this, a brand new radiator, so we can use this and install this on the Caprice. But the Hayabusa will live on. So Hayabusa lives on, but the Hayabusa will live on because we went and we took to the internet. After some encouraging by my brother New York, I took to the internet. I took to eBay. I found a battery. I guess since I told you it was in the package, I'll go ahead and open it now. I put like 3 damn covers on this thing. So this right here is a ProTech True Gel High Performance Y12 or YT12A-BS gel battery. So this is the one that it said was for the Hayabusa. So we are going to go ahead and get that installed. For the most part, I mean batteries are pretty much self-explanatory, especially when it comes to motorcycle batteries. As long as let me see if I can turn y'all over this way. See where y'all will be sitting at. So yeah. So I already have the bolts out of my seat. So pretty much as long as your terminals line up, positive on this side, negative on that side, well, you're pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed, and we're gonna crank the booster and let you hear it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sacrafice. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Sacrafice, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Sacrafice. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so now we got the battery installed into the bike. I'll show you here. I didn't want to drag y'all through that. Like I said, this battery I got off of eBay. It was like under 40 bucks. Might have been 40 bucks after it was shipped or whatnot. But now we're good to go. We can crank little baby up. Hold on, I need 2 hands. is rather dirty from all the work that we was doing on the roof. All the dust was blowing back off in here, and just from the last couple times we've been riding it. So that'll be the next step. We'll get her cleaned up when we get ready to pull her out, man. But yeah, the boost is ready to ride again. Here in the very near future, we'll be getting that new radiator installed. That way we can go ahead and tidy up, and then the Caprice is one step closer. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think of the bike. New radiator for the Caprice. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We are going to try to get to 20,000 subscribers in 2020, 20K in 2020, and we can only get there with your help, man. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss another video. This your boy, LS Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make them your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And always and forever remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.